Touch yourself then, isn't it? Catch yourself on. So groovy girlies, welcome back to the channel. Today is another haul. However, it's going to be a bit different. It is Dollskill. You guys are familiar with this brand. I rinsed their arsehole. However, today is Halloween edition.
I love Halloween.
Ah!
I'm going to show you my tits in a catsuit.
I don't even have tits to put in a catsuit.
I'll
so
talk about my WDs.
These are hashtag gifted, but this is not an ad, so obviously all my opinions are going to be honest and true like they always are. Even if it was an ad, Dollskill, please sponsor me. I have a trusty assistant that is going to help me try on these because some of them do require being filled out a little bit because I didn't have anything here, whereas I dove into the trust fund with Anna and she actually does have something there. We're going to see how they look on a boy and a girl. What is this? Wait, I don't think this is supposed to be in here. Absolute silence in the studio. Welcome back to my channel. Right. Oh, I did order this. This is a different package. Okay, oops. I mean, this would totally be like a Catwoman moment.
Absolutely not, babe.
This is an extra small.
What?
Byron would approve.
Oh my god, that's cute. Wait, Byron's not here right now. What?
I thought that was me for a hot minute. I really did get scared.
It might be me.
No, it smells like fish.
It might be Anna's funny.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused.
Shoot's cute though.
It is kind of super cute, I'm not gonna lie.
No, I think it's really cute. I really love that. That's very Kourtney Kardashian.
I'm gonna go for a mystery one because I actually don't know what's in here. What?
Oh my god, I have a slutty nurse! Oh my god, I'm a slutty nurse!
This is so fun! Oh my god. I'm gonna get so much of this. What? This is something. Catch yourself on.
Like a racing driver.
Friend.
I'm not.
Wait,
Okay.
I haven't finished. Right, I need a push-up bra.
Oh, sorry. Not cute. Not in 2019.
Does it really look that bad? I think I look hot.
You look hot,
cute.
but he doesn't like a nurse.
She said dominatrix. She said latex. She said chains of whip to excite me.
Your bum looks good though.
This is a fun little cross with the hat.
I don't agree with this little thing though. Like, what the hell is this thing? This is a civilized studio.
This is PG.
It's not PG. I just said I'm gonna get me off. I do actually really like this. I really like the mask because I feel like the masks are really in fashion at the minute, as Byron would say, because he was gonna buy an off-white one. I mean, it saves you having to do like lipstick or anything. If you were going to do the dirty on Halloween,
Yeah.
you don't need to wear anything because it gets messed up anyway if you're doing the dirty. So
Oh,
you can just...
true. Just saving yourself.
I don't like this. This can go.
It looks better from the back than the front.
I don't know if that's an insult to me. That's outfit number one. I don't know how much it is, so I don't know if it was worth the money.
I need a tissue because you're making me feel ill.
Oh my god. What?
Shut the fuck.
You can't even see how long this is. It doesn't even fit on the screen. Why is it so long? I'm sorry, but we're not all 5'9" models, Dollskill. Even though I really do appreciate you sending us.
Oh my god, 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 has. The frying pan's on fire.
Well, I'm annoyed. Look at that fucking Biggie Smalls. My crotch is not where my knees are. My crotch is there.
I'm sorry, but absolutely not.
Would you look at me on Halloween and want to sleep with me?
No.
I was about to jump, but I don't know if I'm too scared to jump. Should I jump? I mean, I like the back. The back's cute, but to say that this is one size, this is actually ridiculous. Like, I can feel the waistband under my arse cheeks, and that's not an exaggeration. I'm literally being serious. Like, that should be there. It would look so cute if it was tight, wouldn't it? I'm not supposed to be doing the work though. If I'm paying this money,
Is that retail for?
I mean, I don't know.
You should pop it up on screen. Now.
Yeah, no, yeah, the jumpsuit's a massive no for me. Like, if you tried this on, I think you'd actually drown in it. No.
No, it does not.
You got hips that made for walking.
Yeah, no, like, look at my legs.
Yeah, no, you're literally drowning in it.
Yeah, no, it's a no for me.
Yeah, it's a no for me, sorry,
It's really an absolute no for me.
I really should just be wearing a push-up bra right now. I'm so silly. I'm so silly. I'm also naked. That's great. I'm fucking glowing in the dark. This is so fun. Oh my god, twinning to tullies. Bitch, it's Halloween season. I can't stand dressing up. Ah! Oh, it's a bit tight on me.
Oh my god, wow.
Oh, I
I
like
would
that.
definitely wear
Look at the camera, I'm literally a loser.
That's it.
Dollskill, you did well. You redeemed yourself from the inmate suit, I'm not gonna lie. This is the back. Ooh, sexy mamacita. Wow, are we storming Area 51 today, auntie? Oh my god, I actually want to get like ruined in this. You know what kind of ruined I'm on about. And fun little feature. It goes all the way around. Right, you're not fucking ready for this. You're not ready for this. You're not ready for this.
Wait, am I gonna do
Dun, 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 dun,
Shut
dun,
up.
dun, 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 dun. What? Dun, 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 dun. I'll be a little wild with this one.
Oh my god, how
I
so
love.
What?
Yeah, that's so fun.
Isn't it? Then if I get all hot and steamy when I'm being chased, I can rip off my trouser
If I
legs.
get hot and steamy,
And if it gets chilly,
you can put them back on. That actually isn't like bad.
she said fashion, darling. We've just come out of fashion week. New designer is here. Oh yes, I'm living for this. This is sick. I'm getting naked. It's caught my hair.
Oh, cute.
Is it cute?
Oh, Haz, I love that. Okay, suddenly we're going out for Halloween.
My bum looks shite though.
Well,
It does. Because that should go in like that. Should be like this, actually like that. Not too sure about that. Maybe it's a me problem, you know, maybe I need to fill out a bit more. I mean, if I had bigger boobs, this definitely would look cute. Oh wait, I'm not done. Silly me. Oh wow, what are these? What is this?
Is this all for the cat?
I don't know what the f this is all for. Okay, so we've got some gloves.
meow.
Wowee. Yeah. Oh, I think this goes around your leg and these are supposed to go around your arms. It's pretty damn good. I'm actually quite liking this. I mean, it pulls in your waist finally. That's what the belt's for. I see. That was great. Oh my god, I'm really liking this.
I like it.
Ooh, she's feisty. She gon' rob a bank. She gon' wear it to Tully's
She got to rob a bank and fuck your man.
and get on her eyes for free.
Do you reckon you get kicked out though?
Nah!
Yeah, you would.
Nah! Get a lovely shot of that, darling. Oh my god, how do I get this on? No! Please, come on, I want to wear you. Okay, thanks. Ow. Oh my god, I actually can't breathe. Ow, I'm gonna have to take my bra off. Like, I'm actually in pain. Yeah. Ah, oh my god, get off. Oh, I never want to have boobs.
What the fuck is that supposed to be, a cheerleader?
Well, oh my goodness me, this really is a sexy outfit, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, this is bad. I am gonna literally have to blow the shit out of this because I know I have some creepy old men following me. And if you want to give me money for stuff like that,
Fine.
jokes. So, hi boys. Whoops, I dropped my pen. Oh no. Oops, I dropped my socks, found them. Oops. Oopsie. They look like, ugh. It comes with black versions, but they're not as high. Because literally your whole arsehole's out. I thought I may as well make up by covering my legs. Not that you need to, ladies. I actually really like it. It also comes with this cutesy little bow. Oh my god, my clips match. Oh, I really like it. I kind of wish the skirt was longer. It basically comes with pants that are separate because the skirt is so short. I'm not gonna give you that. You sick fucks. Fucking hate that bow. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Wait, I'm sorry. W-I-L-D podcast. Time to get an inside download. Ready, shoot, score. I really like this. I want it to be longer. When your inner whore just isn't feeling good. Oh my god, Anna, it's like you when you were younger. Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel.
Wait, hi, Mushy Monsters.
Wait, what was your intro? Oh my god, wait. Tonight on Mushy News at 10, Mushy Studios has been burnt down. So creepy girlies, that is it for this try on haul. If you did like anything, I'm going to leave it down in the description because I think these are so freaking good, especially for the price as well. Like, you get so much in these packages and it means that you don't have to go out and like pin the outfit all together yourself. Dollskill does it for you. So thank you so much, Dollskill, for sending these through. I am so in love with them and I'm actually going to something called Tully's Farm and I'm going to wear one of these. So definitely comment down below which one I should wear. Maybe I'll make a video out of it, who knows. Teehee. Anyway, I love you all so much and I will see you in the next video. Go Wildcats.